Hiccup for elephant. It was nap time. All the animals were all the animals were fast asleep, except for elephant. Elephant had a hiccup. Hiccup. Chimp, chimp woke up.
I can cure those hiccups.
Chimp said.
Stand on your head and eat a banana.
Elephant give it a try. Kaboom! It only made him dizzy. Hiccup! Lion woke up. Oh, I can cure those hiccups, Lion said. Drinks lots of water very, very fast. Elephant gave it a try. He drank, 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 drank. Hiccup! Zebra woke up. I can cure those hiccups, Zebra said. Hold your breath and count to 10 backward. Elephant give it a try. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hiccup! Mouse woke up.
What's all the noise?
Mouse said.
I'm trying to sleep. Poor elephant has a hiccup.
Mouse looked the elephant in the eyes. He shouted. Everyone waited and waited, but there were no more hiccups.
Works every time.
All the animals fell back to sleep, except for elephant. Achoo! Oh, poor elephant cannot sleep. Achoo! How's the story? Are you enjoying? Hiccup! See you later.